y'all. That's some bad news. Say, this day was going pretty good too. I don't know, all that work. Dang, it was all winter I worked on that bus. I think I can salvage most of it. Well, let me tell you what happened. You know, we've been getting a lot of rain here lately. And, you know, all that rain soaks all into the ground, gets everything loose. Can't even hardly look at it. Gets everything all loosened up, and then all at once, before you know it, you have a mudslide. Well, took old Zephyr out for a little drive. Decided I'd, you know, take him out, get some diesel fuel in him, and just give him a little run. I like to drive all my vehicles every now and then, just to keep them working good. Well, on the way back in, I saw it starting whenever I was getting close. I don't know if it's a vibration of the bus driving by or what, but I saw the mudslide coming and decided, well, I'll just nail it. I'll make it through, get through to the other side of it, and, you know, I'll be fine. Well, I guess kind of hate to even show you all this, but I'm going to turn you around here and let you see what happened. Here we go. Not a daggone thing, I just parked him sideways. April Fools. No, old Zephyr is just fine. But I did just decide to take him out, get some diesel in him, give him a drive back, and then I remembered the picture that I had taken several years ago when we had the mudslide. I decided to combine the two, kind of parked him sideways here, and well, I guess we'll see how it turns out. Anyway, I guess that's going to be it for this little short video. I appreciate everybody watching. Sorry for pulling on your leg there, but had to do it. April Fools. See y'all later. See you next time.